Hello. Hello.
Hello, monkey.
How are you?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I do.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I do.
I cannot hear you.
What I tell mom?
Hello, monkey.
How do you do?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, but a while ago, I cannot hear you. How about now? Can you hear me now?
Yes, I'm still
Oh,
already here.
yeah, that's good. So how are you doing now, monkey?
What?
How are you doing? Are you
How are
fine?
you doing?
Yeah, are you
Fine.
fine?
Fine.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good that you are fine. Okay, so how was your day today?
And go to school.
Okay, and then what did you do there?
I'm learn some some more lesson and play.
Oh, you played. What did you play?
Play.
What did you play?
Yeah.
What is that? I cannot understand you.
Um, I learn some more things and I play.
You learned some lessons and then you play, right? Okay, and then? So have you eaten your dinner now?
Not yet.
What do you think is our food for tonight?
I don't know
You don't know?
because my mom not to.
Oh, where's mom?
She's going to look some wine.
Ah, okay. All right. So let's begin our class for tonight. Monkey, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Very good. Okay, so let's have part 1. Look and read. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. There is one example. So example, monkey, you see this green plant on the ground in some gardens. So the answer is a grass. Okay, number 1, monkey.
This is like a small town. There are houses and people in this a village. A village.
Okay, a village is correct. Number 2.
There are always a lot of trees in this forest.
Forests. Very good. Number 3.
Both go on this and fish live in it. A lake.
A lake. Number 4.
Plenty on most plants and trees.
You see these on most plants and trees.
Leaves.
Leaves. Very good. Number 5.
Corn. Buses and lorries go on this. It is often great A road.
A road. And last one.
You have to cross water to go to his place. An island.
Okay, very good. An island is the correct answer. Very good, monkey. Okay, now let's go to part 2. Look and read, right? Yes or no? So look at the picture, monkey, and we have here an example. Number 1, the man is reading a comic and smiling. Answer is yes. Number 2, the woman has a towel in her head. Answer is no. Okay, number 1, monkey, read and answer.
The boy who on the balcony is wearing glasses. No.
Okay, no. Oh, wait a minute. Who is wearing a glasses?
I don't know.
Oh, look at the picture.
Dad?
Hmm?
Dad.
Yes, Dad. So number 2, monkey?
Inside the apartment, you can see a fan between 2 lamps. Yes.
Yes. Number 3?
The coat on the armchair in the living room. No.
Okay, no. So where is the coat? So what is on the armchair on the living room?
A scarf.
Okay, a scarf. Very good. Okay, so number 4?
There's a black and white rabbit under the man chair. Yes.
Yes. And number 5?
The boy who's waving has a curly hair. No.
No. Yes. Oh, look at it.
Where? I can see it.
At the bottom, there is a boy at the bottom. Can you see it? So it's got a curly hair. Okay, number 6, monkey.
But I cannot see the bottom.
Oh, you can't see it? Okay, never mind. I won't give that number, okay? So now let's have number 6.
Most of the people in the picture are sitting down. No.
No, okay. So how many people are sitting down?
Only 1.
And then how many are standing up?
3.
Again?
3.
3. Okay, good job, monkey. So you got 5 perfect points. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's go to part 3. Read the text and choose the best answer. So example, there was a new girl in our class today. So the answer is letter C, was there? Okay, so now let's have question number 1. Is she 10 like you?
No. She got 9.
Again?
No, she's got 9.
Are you sure with your answer?
Sure.
Let's see. Okay, the answer is letter B. No, she's younger.
But
Okay. Yeah, okay, now let's have number 2. And what's her name?
It's Mary, I think.
It's Mary, I think, correct. Number 3. Who did she sit with?
All children were there. All the children were. It's E.
Letter C. She sat next to me. Okay, number... Oh, wait. Wait a minute. I will put a tick here. Okay, so number 1, you're wrong. Number...
2.
Oh, wait a minute. Number 2, you are correct. Number 3, you are wrong. Okay, how about number 4? Has she got any brother or sister?
He does a lot.
Are you sure? Has
Not-
she got any brother or sister?
I don't know.
Okay, very good. I don't know. Next one. Did you play with her in the playground?
Yes.
What yes? There are 3 yeses on the answers. What yes do you like?
She better than her. No. Yes, we had a good game.
Okay, very good. Yes, we had a good game. Number 6. And has she got a bike?
Yes, we can ride to school with her.
Are you sure?
No.
Has she got a bike?
Yes, he.
What?
He rode it to school before. Not. Yes, you are riding them to school. Not. I don't know.
Oh, you choose. What's your answer? Number 6.
Yes, we can ride to school with her. Not.
What?
I know we see.
Okay, you are correct. Yeah, you're correct in number 6. Yes, we can ride to school with her. Oh, I'm just asking you so that I can know if you are sure. Okay, very good, Monkey. You got 4 points. All right, so now, Monkey, look at the picture first. What picture? No, it's 4. No, because you're wrong in number 1.
Okay, 4.
You forgot. Okay, now, Monkey.
Okay, 4.
What pictures can you see? Can you tell me the pictures?
Washes, sun, farmer, hop, fruit, lion, stop, shop, hats, and dot.
Okay, very good. So now, Monkey, let's have part 4. Read a story and choose a word from the box. Write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 6. There's one example. Okay, so now, Monkey, read a story and then choose your answer from the pictures.
Mr. Lion loves his walk at the zoo. Every day he watched the elephants and gave fruit and tied fruits.
And gave the, what's your answer, number 1?
Lions.
Okay, and gave the lions. Okay, continue reading.
Tiger gave fruit, but his favorite animal were two kangaroos. Every morning he put some fruits in a big yellow bowl and took it to them. The kangaroos always saw him and hopped to their bowl and ate it all very quickly. They enjoyed it. One fine morning, Mr. Lion put two big apples in the kangaroo's bowl for them to eat. He waited and waited, but they didn't come. I don't understand this, Mr. Lion thought. I can find the kangaroos, he told the woman who worked in the zoo.
Who work in the zoo?
What we have? Shop, hat, and farmer Owie.
Zoo what?
We have Owie, shop, hat, and farmer.
So what will be your answer? Who work in the zoo? Zoo farmer? What do you think?
The shop.
Very good. Okay, continue reading.
Oh, they had a new baby yesterday, she said. Look, they are all sleeping outside. They enjoy the hot sun. Now you got three favorite animals. Little Lion, not two, she laughed.
Okay, good job, monkey. Because you got all the correct answers. Lions, fruit, hopped, thought, shop, and sun. Okay, so what do you think is the best name for the story?
A new baby at the zoo.
Very good. A new baby at the zoo. So it means you got 7 points. All right. So now let's continue here in part number 5. Look at the pictures and read a story. Write words to complete the sentences about the story. You can use 1, 2, or 3 words. Okay, so this is the story about the beach. Okay.
Now you turn, but you need to read all the story.
Okay, so teacher will read it.
Yes, read all the story.
Okay. So, teacher will read the part 1, okay? The beach is Peter's favorite place. In sunny weather, he likes going there after school with his best friend, Tony, to swim or to climb on the rocks. On cloudy days, they often play football on the sand there. Last Saturday morning, Peter woke up and looked outside. The weather wasn't good. It was very windy. Okay, so example, the place that Peter likes best is the beach. Next, Tony is the name of Peter's best friend. Okay, number 1, monkey.
Peter likes to swim or to climb on the rocks.
Okay, climb is the correct answer. Number 2.
When it is Saturday Cloudy Saturday morning.
Are you sure?
Saturday morning.
Are you sure?
Cloudy days.
Very good. Cloudy days. Number 3.
Peter and his friend play football on the beach sometimes. When Peter got up in the morning, look up sky.
When Peter got up in the morning last what?
He looked outside. The weather was bad.
What day is it?
Saturday morning.
Okay, very good. Saturday morning. Okay, wait, I will put a tick.
1, 2, 3 points.
1, 2, 3 points. Yes. Okay, so now it's your turn to read.
He and his father had breakfast, and Peter said, I can't play football on beach today because I can't find my ball. What can I do? He can watch and can go and watch the fishing boats. Dad answered, go and get your clothes. They're in the cupboard. They put on them and walked down the road to beach. Wow! Look! Said his father. Something is in the water. It's a toy boat. It's round. It's round. It's not a boat. It's my ball. Peter answered.
Okay, so question number 4.
Peter had breakfast with Dad.
With?
Dad.
Dad, okay, correct. Next one.
Her father wanted to go and see fishing boat.
Fishing boats, very good. Number 6.
They put on their coats and then went for a walk to the beach. Coats.
Coats, yes. Coats is the answer. Next one, number 7.
Found his ball in the sea.
Okay, ball is the answer. Okay, 7 points.
No.
Okay, it's your turn again.
Not the point. It's not correct.
Where?
They are not 7. 2 plus 4 equals 6.
Wait a minute. Yeah. Oh, this is 3.
3 plus...
Oh, 3 plus 4 is 7.
Okay.
Okay,
7.
Okay, whose turn now?
You turn.
Okay. Tony and I lost it here on Monday evening. We came back on Tuesday morning, but we couldn't find it, Peter said. Peter's dad took off his shoe and socks and put his feet in the water. Oh, it's cold, he said. He picked up the ball and threw it to Peter. It was very wet. Now we can play football, he laughed, and they did. All right, question number 8, Monkey.
When Peter was on the beach on Monday, on Monday evening.
On?
Monday evening.
Okay, Monday evening, number 9.
Peter's dad put the foot in the cold water.
His feet. Is that your answer? His feet?
Feet or foot is incorrect.
Yeah, feet or foot is correct. Okay, number 10.
Oh, the trail was very wet.
Was very wet. Yes. Okay, 10 points. So now, monkey, let's go to part number 6. Read a text and choose the right words and write them on the lines. So this is a story about tea or coffee. Okay, wait a minute, monkey. Do you drink tea or coffee?
Nothing. I like orange juice only. I don't like coffee or tea.
Ah, you don't like coffee or tea. You drink juice only. Yeah, that's good because tea and coffee is not for kids, okay? Okay, so now, monkey, read the story now and then read also the example, okay?
Okay. A lot of people drink tea and coffee, but which plant give up this drink and why do people like drinking them? You can only find the tea plant in hot sunny place.
Very good.
For drink tea, you must put
Some, okay.
tea leaf is with very hot water and you sometimes add milk or lemon. Some people drink tea after because they are tired.
They are tired. Next one.
Then the tea helps them. Some people like coffee.
Some people like coffee.
Less than tea. In the morning.
More than tea in the morning, okay?
They like drinking coffee for breakfast because it
Because it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, monkey. 5, 4. Oh, this is an example. Sorry. Okay. So total of 4 points. Okay, so we're finishing the first part, monkey. Now let's go to the next part of the activity. Wait for me.
okay.
Okay. So now let's continue in reading and writing again, okay? So let's begin again, monkey. What are the pictures that you see? Can you tell me, please?
You can take pictures. These are wrapped and they have flips on them. DVDs.
Again.
DVDs.
And?
DVDs.
No, I'm asking you to Tell me the pictures that you see.
Soup,
What?
coffee, cheese, a party, a camera, music, DVDs, pears.
Very good. So now let's have an example. You can take pictures with this. So answer is camera. Number 1.
These are round and they have flames on them. DVDs.
Okay, DVDs is correct. Number 2.
Put this in a bowl and eat it. You can make it from vegetables. Soup.
Soup. Okay, number 3.
You can play this on guitar and dance to it too. A party.
Music. Number 4.
There are kind of fruit. They often green or yellow. Pears.
Pears. Next, number 5.
The drink is brown and has some people put milk in it. Coffee.
Coffee. Number 6.
Some people invite friends to one of these on their birthday. A party.
A party. Good job. So you only got one mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's go to part number 2. Look and read. Write yes or no. So, monkey, look at the picture. 2 women are waiting for the bus. Answer is yes. Next one, it's raining and all the people are wearing coats. Answer is no. Okay, so number 1, monkey, read and answer.
The person who's running is wearing a scarf. No.
Yes.
There's some grass under the tree. No.
Yes. What happened to you?
The big picture of a dolphin is the shop window. Yeah, a big picture of a dolphin in shop. No. None.
No. Okay, number 4.
The blue truck is bigger than yellow one. No.
No. Okay.
The girl with the red shirt is crossing a road. Yes.
Yes. Next, number 6.
The boy has got a kitten with them. With nut.
No. Okay, so you got 2 mistakes here.
One.
Okay, 4 points. So now, monkey, let's go to part number 3. Read a text and choose the best answer. Okay, so Jim and his friend Tony are talking about school. Example, I didn't go to lessons yesterday morning. Answer is B. Yes, I know. Okay, so now number 1. Did Mr. Lake give us any homework?
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did. Okay, number 2. What do we have to do?
A story.
Read a story. Next, number 3. Is it difficult?
No, it's easy.
No, it's easy. Number 4. Which book is it?
Okay, I've got it.
What is your answer? Which book is it in?
Our one. No. Only one the picture. No. Okay, I've got it.
Or English 1.
It.
Oh, what's your answer? Is that your answer?
Yes, I read it.
Okay, no problem. So number 5. When must we give it to him?
On Thursday morning.
On Thursday morning. Number 6. Let's do it this evening.
All right.
All right. Good job. Okay, 6 points. Now, Monkey, let's have... Okay, what pictures can you see first? Can you tell me?
First then fields, hot, smart, bright, cloudy, road, and carrots.
Okay, very good. So now let's read part number 4. Read a story and choose a word from the box. Write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 6. There is one example. Okay, now Monkey, read a story.
Fred often went to house on... What? Why the answer sheet is here?
Yeah, it must be on the example blank, okay?
But why they are on the...
Don't mind it because it's an error, okay?
But where's the example?
The example is sheep.
Okay, Fred often went to help on his uncle's farm. There was cows and sheep which lived in the fields.
Okay.
What? There were chickens and 3 cats. But Fred's favorite animals were 2 white rabbits. He likes giving them big orange carrots to eat.
Okay, very good. Number 3.
Last Saturday, Fred rode to the farm on his bike. He couldn't find his uncle here, and his aunt wasn't in the house. Fred was surprised. He shouted, "Underbell, where are you?" "We are here," says his uncle with the rabbits. "They've got 6 new babies." Fred ran to see who wants to pick up. "Can I hold one?" he asked. "Yes, but be careful," said his son. And Fred picked up the smallest rabbit and smiled.
Okay, very good. And smile. So fields, carrots, road, surprised, hold, and smiled is correct. Okay, now what do you think is the best name for the story, Monkey?
Some new friends for Fred.
Okay, some new friends for Fred. Okay, wait a minute. Yes, 7 points. Okay, now this is part number 5. Look at the picture and read a story. Write words to complete the sentences about a story. You can use 1, 2, or 3 words. Okay? So whose turn now?
You.
It's my turn now?
Yes.
Okay. Sally's crocodile. Paul lived in a flat, but he had a cousin called Sally who lived in a house. Sally had a swimming pool in her garden, and on hot days, Paul sometimes went there to swim. One Sunday afternoon, Paul walked down the road to Sally's house. In his bag, he had his towel and his things for swimming. So, example, Paul's cousin lived in a house. There was a swimming pool in Sally's garden. Okay. So, question number 1, Monkey. Read and answer.
In Sunday afternoon.
What?
Sunday day. Hot Sunday day.
Okay.
Paul sometimes swam at Sally's house. On Saturday, on Sunday afternoon, Paul walked. He took his thing for swimming and a towel with him a bag.
Okay. He got his towel on his bag. Oh, what happened? Wait a minute. I'm trying to write your score here. Okay, 3 points. Okay, continue reading, Monkey.
He walked to the door. It was open. Paul went and stood in the hall. He said loudly, "It's me, Paul!" But there was no answer. And he went low in the kitchen and shouted, "Sally!" But the house was quiet. Paul walked to the garden and looked at the swimming pool. He could see something in the water. It was a big green crocodile. He was afraid and ran back inside the house.
Okay, so question number 4. The blank. What is it? The blank of Sally's house was open. What is open? What is open?
The door.
Oh. Okay, the door of Sally's house was open. Next, number 5.
How shall Sally name when he was in the house?
Oh,
in the kitchen.
In the kitchen. Number 6.
How could see a crocodile in the swimming pool?
Yes, there was a crocodile in the swimming pool. Okay, next one. It's my turn.
Yes.
Okay. He dropped his bag on the floor and quickly closed the door. Then Sally ran downstairs. "Sally," said Paul, "there's a crocodile outside. We must hide." "No, Paul," Sally laughed. "It's a toy one. My mom and dad bought it for me to play with." Paul laughed. "It's not the hungry crocodile then." "No," said Sally. "Come on, we can both ride on its back." Okay, number 7.
Paul dropped his bag, closed the door, and Sally came.
And
the
Oh, what's your answer? Paul dropped his bag.
Close the door and I don't know.
Okay. All right, so let's continue, Monkey. This activity again on Monday. No, tomorrow.
Okay, goodbye.
No. On Sunday. On Sunday morning, okay, we have a class. Don't forget.
Goodbye.
Goodbye-bye.